외로움 equals loneliness. 이 subject marker. Loneliness is, as for loneliness, full, filled completely, abundantly. Poetic adverb form, more lyrical than just 가득. Literal meaning, loneliness fully, filled completely with loneliness. Loneliness is overflowing. 피어있는, from 피어있다, to be in bloom, to be blossoming. Nuance, not just bloomed once, but currently continuously blooming, alive, active, beautiful right now. This makes it intimate and close, this garden, right here, my space. Literal meaning, this blooming garden, this garden that's in full bloom. Kashi, thorn, spike, barb. Symbolically, pain, danger, defensiveness, emotional barriers. 투성이, full of, covered with, riddled with, gives intensity, completely covered in thorns. Literal meaning, covered in thorns, full of thorns, riddled with spikes. 이 모래성에, this 모래성에, in, at, on, in this sandcastle, or on this sandcastle. Fragile temporary structure often symbolizes dreams, plans, or illusions, something delicate, easily destroyed. Tu na는, I, casual, intimate, personal tone, 나이메어서. 나를, me, myself. 메다 will tie, bind, fasten, past tense, casual speech. Literal open I tied myself, or I bound myself. Combined with 모래성, it evokes tying yourself to something fragile, temporary, a classic metaphor for precarious dreams. Literal meaning. Open quote, I tied myself to this sand castle. I bound myself in this fragile castle of sand.